Guess this word, boys.
I know it.
Mr. Beast!
What does the winner get?
The winner wins one of whatever the word is.
Oh my god, I always wanted one, but you can't buy them anymore.
What?
Is the letter E in it?
Yes, it is. Good job.
Jimmy, I will bomb your house.
No need for bombing anyone's house. Just play the game.
Can you describe it a bit?
They usually come in some shade of brown as a color.
It's Obama!
No, it's not Obama.
Why would it be Obama?
Because you're brown.
All right, next letter, boys.
I have a tingly feeling it is a double G.
Correct.
Jimmy!
You better stop this right now or else.
You can't threaten me, Obama. I will literally buy you.
That was a bit too far, Jimmy.
Yeah, times have changed. You can't buy Obama just because he's black.
Oh, shut up, you idiots. I didn't mean it like that. I'm rich. I'll buy anyone.
Anyways, does anyone have any clue what this word is? I have no idea.
Jimmy, use the word in a sentence, please.
Hello, is this the place I buy I'd like to buy one average. Oh, not this one. This stinks.
All right, I just nuked the whole world. No one is making it out alive.
Jimmy, the word is nip.
You racist piece of shit. The word is nugget.
Oh, crap.